Tidiness and arrangement are essential to keep the kitchen organized and completely functional. However, many kitchens lack built-in storage space, especially for those who have a small cooking space. If a small kitchen could take advantage of some space-saving storage and organization solutions, this could be the guide for you. So figure out how to optimize your limited kitchen space, from countertops to cupboards, with the help of our 10 updated kitchen storage ideas. As always, SimpHome presents you with the list. 10. The Pegboard storage concept. Why overcrowd your countertops with bulky kitchen organizers when you can create a clean pegboard look? Take hints from online references and mount the pegboard above your table or wall to hang your kitchen essentials in style. While you can get them for cheap at your local hardware store, the pegboard has a life outside your garage. You may find some pegboards mundane, and it's not a big deal because its versatility allows you to decorate it. You can paint it the color you desire and use it to display some of your prettiest kitchen utensils, including your cutting boards, pans, and baking utensils. We recommend installing wide wall pegs like this picture to accommodate more items for utensils that are more difficult to hang. 9. Consider utilizing a magazine holder. Having a well-organized space doesn't have to be a fancy affair. In fact, the next time you need to arrange things on the cheap, head over to a thrift store and head straight for the office supply division. You will find a lot of inexpensive magazine holders that you can use to make instant freezer racks and set up your fridge. The magazine holder is very great for storing all your frozen food flat. Another way you can cheaply organize your equipment in the magazine holder is to slide the stand onto a pantry shelf or attach it to the back of a cabinet door, just like the picture above for easy access. 8. Hang some bins in the fridge. A container is your friend when it comes to your refrigerator organization. Group such items and create zones for your containers. Use airtight containers to store leftovers and pieces of fruit or vegetables. Fridge holders with handles are great for snacks, condiments, and anything else you access every day. Multiple containers keep your fridge clean and make it easy to see what you need to grab for your next grocery. Tidy up the rest of your home with these smart storage containers. Maximize storage space by storing food on and under the shelves of your fridge. These removable containers snap on right away and are available in a variety of fun colors too. 7. Hang your wine glasses under your cabinet. A wine glass rack is something a wine collector will undoubtedly need because it's not just about the wine you have, but also how you present it. Your cabinet can be the best alternative to hanging wine glasses. Plus, it's cheap if you already possess a cabinet in your kitchen. So it becomes the right place to make a wine glass rack. This style of wine glass rack completes a modern-style kitchen or wine area and presents storage that won't get in your way since you simply need to hang the wine glass. Plus, it's safe and easy to access. 6. Add more space for cutlery. Give your cutlery more space by fixing a drawer organizer in the drawer and then keep it away from all the things you don't need to touch, like sharp knives and cutting boards. Place the grid on one side of the cutting board. Use smaller utensils like nutcrackers, scissors, peelers, and paring knives for your small items. And use larger utensils like a chef's knife, chef's shears, and spatulas for your oversized items up high. Use utility hooks to hang utensils on each side of a bowl or dish rack, making it easy to access any item at hand in no time flat. 5. Don't forget a space behind your cabinet door. The open door into an empty room makes for an easy-to-use hanging space. The problem is that most doors do not provide an excellent mounting area for hardware. The solution is that you can install 3/4-inch screws and plywood to the back of the door. Add construction adhesive for a hollow door. Cut the plywood 3 or 4 inches from the edge of the door to prevent conflict with the doorknob or hinges. Cut the wood into quarters with a knife, form small hooks, and glue them to the door through the wood lip at the front. Make sure you position it so you can close the cabinet door while all the other items are in it as much as you like. 4. Bins, bins, and bins. Containers for storing spices, grains, and other groceries take up a lot of space. To keep plastic containers of various sizes tidy for a super simple solution, gain additional storage space by sliding them sideways into your cupboard. Fill with the lids of the sorted food containers, then place the containers under the appropriate lids. It's a quick, practical, and inexpensive way to make the most of limited space. But really, any storage will work here. You're in luck as long as you can fit it in your cupboard or cabinet with the open side facing forward. 3. A magnetic knife holder idea. Big knife blocks should be a thing of the past. Not only do they take up too much space, but they also collect some pretty nasty bacteria. So free up some counter space by changing your traditional knife block with a wall-mounted magnetic knife block. This magnetic strip holds the knives against their metal blade, remaining them dry and on display when not in use. We'll tell you another secret about this magnetic holder. It can hold most metal cooking utensils, so not only knives. You can mount the magnetic knife holder to your wall, in a drawer, or on any side of the cabinet. It's your choice. This can be mounted onto the wall by a screw, nail, or nail gun. Try it with a drill or a hammer if you feel confident enough. It will take time to figure out whether your preferred model works best for you. 2. The storage over the sink idea. The sink is a point of problem in many kitchens. Whether it's full of dirty dishes or missing sponges, the area sometimes looks like a war zone. This storage over the sink will solve that problem. It has room for dishes, dish soap, a cutlery holder, and a scrubber. There's a place for everything, meaning your sink and the counters around can stay clean and tidy. If you really wish to make the most of your sink storage, but are worried about darkening your kitchen, try placing pots there. Light can still freely pass through your dangling kitchenware if you don't inflate the unit. This pot rack can be hung on a shelf and holds well-used utensils, pots, spoons, etc. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. And lastly, number 1, install shelves wherever possible. Open shelving might be a lifesaver if you have a kitchen with an empty wall. Instead of installing big and fancy cabinets, consider installing slim wall shelves to accommodate many of your kitchen utensils. And even if you want to stack cookware and dishes, wall shelves will make your kitchen look and feel larger than with cabinets in place. Some relevant details. You can build new open kitchen shelving from planks of wood fastened together, or you can buy them pre-made. Buy your shelves at a department store or home improvement store. Choose the length you want, and then select the number of shelves to install. Make sure that your brackets are strong enough to hold everything placed on the shelf. Secure them to solid wall studs with molly bolts that are rated for safe loads. Be sure to anchor them onto the walls as they carry a lot of weight. Use pieces of insulation board between the wall studs and beneath each bracket so that nothing can rub against the wall when you bump into it or if it gets bumped by other kitchen tools. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. Last, other than the 3 list titles that I already mentioned, I am giving you 25 hand-selected titles based on unique categorization that you can enjoy and take from the website that I already endorse. Here they are. Top 20 List and Beyond category. Number 1, 333 Small Kitchen Ideas, Organization and Kitchen Designs. 2, 125 Kitchen Makeover Ideas for this year and beyond. 3, 100 plus ideas on how to transform your small bedroom into a calming sanctuary. 4, 62 IKEA furniture and storage creative makeovers. 5, 33 organizing small household item ideas. 6, 20 decor projects that will upgrade your home. 7, 20 organization products and decorations for a small living room. And number 8, 20 lit small bedroom organizing ideas worth trying. New top 12 list category. Number 1, 12 bedroom makeovers on a budget ideas. 2, 12 budget-friendly DIY backyard decor ideas. 3. 12 minimalist bedroom organization tips. 4. 12 modern bathroom makeovers. 5. 12 unique organization for small bedroom ideas. 6. 12 bathroom cabinet makeover. And number 7. 12 backyard makeover ideas on a budget. Return to the Slide House channel. Eventually, I'm going to present you with the 10 best Slide House titles that you can rewatch or re-explore in Simp-Home's website, in case you already missed it. Number 1. 10 small space ideas to maximize small bedroom. 2. 10 cheap landscaping ideas for small backyards. 3. 10 small living room makeover ideas. 4. 10 unique wall painting ideas for small bedroom. 5. 10 garden paving ideas. 6. 5 clever living walls and vertical garden ideas. 7. 10 vertical garden trellis ideas. 8. 10 storage ideas for small space bedrooms. 9. 10 backyard garden vegetable garden ideas. And lastly, number 10. 10 small bedroom office ideas.